In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Reddit. If your Reddit notifications are starting to feel a little overwhelming, the good news is that it only takes a moment to adjust them. Reddit gives you control over the kinds of alerts you receive, so you can reduce distractions and keep only the updates that actually matter to you. To begin, go to Reddit and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Reddit page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find your profile area, along with other account-related options. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu. When the menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage different parts of your Reddit experience, including account preferences, privacy options, and notification controls. If you're using Reddit regularly for browsing, posting, or following communities, this is a useful area to become familiar with. Inside Settings, click on Notifications. This is the section where Reddit lists the different types of alerts that can be sent to you. Depending on your account activity, you may see options for things like replies, mentions, upvotes, recommendations, community updates, messages, or other engagement alerts. From here, simply toggle off the notifications you no longer want to receive. You can turn off just a few specific alerts if you still want to stay informed about important activity, or you can disable most of them if you prefer a quieter experience. The nice thing is that Reddit lets you customize this rather than forcing you to turn everything off at once. As you go through the list, take a second to read each option carefully. Some notifications are useful for keeping track of direct interactions, while others are more promotional or suggestion-based. If your goal is to cut down on interruptions, those recommendation-style alerts are often a good place to start. Once you've toggled off the unwanted notifications, your changes should apply automatically. There's usually no extra save button needed, which makes the process quick and simple. And that's it. That's how to turn off notifications on Reddit. It's an easy way to make the platform feel less distracting and more tailored to your preferences. If you ever want to re-enable alerts later, just return to the same notifications section in your settings and switch them back on.